Hey guys, Kalila here, or Callie, and welcome to day 5 of me knitting on this flurry cardigan test knit. So, as you guys know, both sleeves are done, which actually I'm very happy about, okay? This is the first time I'm actually happy that I did the sleeves before the body, because now all I have to do is the body, just straight down, do the ribbing, and finish it, okay? I calculated based on how many centimeters I need to do for the body, how many rounds that will be, and I got 40 rounds. So my goal today is to actually finish the body before the ribbing. Do we think we could get that done? Let's see. Alright, I'm on round 10 of this so far. You can actually see the progress that I have. Oh, this is so nice. You can see the stripe going down from the sleeve into the body, which is super nice. I think for the flurry sweater, I swore the raglan went into it as well, but I don't know. Doesn't matter. But this is looking good. It's coming right. This is my belly button. So just a few centimeters from there. I'm about a quarter of the way through. I want to get to around 40. It is currently 6 p.m. We shall see, because I'm going to take a break from this. And then later on, I'm going to see how long I'll stay up to finish this. No promises. My goal is to get to 20. And once I get to round 20, I will evaluate whether I want to continue. Yeah, we'll see that. Alright guys, it's a few hours later. Oh, you can't even see me. Hello! It's a few hours later. I put my bonnet on and everything because I'm cold and sleepy. But I want to finish the body tonight, okay? Officially. Alright, I'm on round 30 out of 40. And here we are. I don't think I even filmed more after I didn't film myself knitting after the last talking one because I was just like, I don't feel like it. I'm just gonna knit. Anyway, here we are. This is officially, let's get this adjusted, officially waist length level. So now I'm going to actually, because here it is. This is my waist. Well, it's beyond my waist, actually. And I need to measure it to see how long it is. Because even though I measured out that I would have or need 10 more rounds, sometimes gauge changes, okay? And I want to make sure that I am measuring things out perfectly. But I actually need to see what the measurement is. So let's go here. Okay, let's go down to the body. Okay. All right, I got the centimeters. Let's measure it and see what we have so far. No. Impossible. It seems that I am at the spot that I need to be. That makes me question some things, okay? Because what the heck? Okay, so measured from the raglan. Okay, I think I remember it's measured from the raglan. Let me see. From the end of the raglan. Okay. Oh, let's measure that. Oh. Oh. It's still almost there. I definitely don't need 10 more rounds, I'll tell you that. I think I need like 2 or 3. Because either way, from the end of this raglan, so I need 26 centimeters, I'm at like bang on 25. So I think I just need 2 more rounds until I am at the length that I need, which makes sense because I was already saying like, wow, this is long and I still have to block it, okay? And heavy things tend to block out a little long. So I'm gonna knit 2 more rounds of this and then, let me see. Okay, and then I'll get to the ribbing. Yeah. Knit that around 7 times. Okay, yeah, so I have 2 more rounds to go. What the heck? That is literally crazy. Well, let's get it then. All right, guys, it's the next night. I didn't finish recording yesterday. I just have not been in a mood to finish off these vlogs for some reason because it's like I get into the groove of knitting at night and then I just keep knitting and that's it. So I did finish this. I didn't weave in my ends yet. I haven't woven them in. I was out all day today, so I didn't get a chance to actually like do any finishing touches. I haven't touched this, so I need to do the steeking. And I kind of want to do the steeking tonight, but I'm not going to. I'll do the steeking tomorrow morning. And here it is. Amazing, amazing, beautiful. It's so good. I love it. So now I'm going to cut down this entire line, which is absolutely insane. I have not cut any of my stuff before, but I'm going to do it tomorrow. Today I'm just gonna chill. I mean, I've been chilling all day basically. I was hanging out with my sisters and now I am going to just save this for tomorrow and steek tomorrow. So we'll see how things go. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. And let me know if you've steeked anything before because that's a scary, scary concept. Even though I have watched videos, so I know it's not that scary. But the thought of cutting through my work, I did all this work. Imagine it just unravels like this. Let me not think of that before I cut into my work. Anyway, that's it for now. Let me know if you guys steeked anything. If you have, did you use the sewing method or the crochet method or a different method? I've seen people talk about a felting method. That's not what I'm gonna do, but that's interesting. And what project was it on? Sweater, cardigan, hat? I don't know why I would steek a hat, but yeah. Anyway, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Good night.